this remote light, but most of the time it's not working. Maybe the switch is bad or something, I'm not sure. There's another one over there, I fixed that before, but after a few months it would die again. I checked the solar panel, there wasn't any output coming out from the leads, so I'm gonna take it apart and check to see what's the problem. Looks like it could be a connection that is broken, so I'm gonna pry it open and see. I'm going to scrape off this glue here and reattach the wiring, and then I'll check to see if I'll get any reading. I just resoldered the wires on this Harbor Freight solar panel, and I'm not sure what gauge wire this is. I just used some slightly thicker wire, and I'll put a dab of hot melt glue here so that it would be secure. And then this goes on this bracket here, and I'll be back in business. Bracket back on. Light up a small LED. Yep, not too bad. It's getting a reading, 2.4 volts.